Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and I hope you stick around. I know some of you have already started school, but others have not. So I wanted to do a back to school makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I did my brows and moisturized my face off camera. For my brows, I used the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. And to moisturize my face, I used the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in the shade Fair. I just realized I forgot to prime my face, but it's fine. At least I put some moisturizer on my face to keep a barrier between my skin and the products I'm going to put on top. I really like this product because it gives a nice glow to the skin and it has a tiny bit of coverage, which I like. Now after this step, you can either use a skin tint, a lightweight foundation, or just skip that step altogether. In my opinion, if you use the Halo Glow Liquid Filter, you don't really need a foundation, especially for school. If you want to, you can, but I'm going to skip that step for today. Next, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Tan Lines. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in the shade Happy. And I'm just going to blend it out with the beauty sponge. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer in the shade C2. So I lightly set anywhere I put concealer, and now I'm going to set the rest of my face. Now that I'm done setting my face, I'm going to move on to contour, blush, and a tiny bit of highlight. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Contour Face Contouring Kit. I'm also going to put a little bit of contour in my crease just so it doesn't look so flat, if that makes sense. Just a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now moving on to blush, I'm using the same blush that's in that palette. And I'm going to use the highlight that's in the same palette. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Waterproof Mascara. Now the last thing I'm going to do are my lips. I'm going to use the Gisou Honey Infused Lip Oil in Watermelon Sugar. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. And if you guys have not started school yet, I hope you have a great first day of school, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!